Alright y'all, we're back with another mail call from the eBay store. This one's going to a Mr. George C. from Salinas, California. It is some spark plug terminals, Mr. Gasket. Mr. George, there's your package. We'll wrap it up for you and ship it to you. It should arrive to you a little bit early because we come home a little early to send it off to you. Oh, and this is a sticker. It's got the Dixie Customs YouTube channel logo on it, and then Beth wrote you a note on the back. This video will be on Dixie Extra, but you got a sticker in the box and bag. I'm gonna wrap it up in paper just for a little added protection. It may not do much, but every little bit helps. You never know how it's gonna get handled on the road, especially traveling all the way across country. It seems we sell a whole bunch of stuff to California. It won't fit in there with paper too long. Slide it on in. We do appreciate your order. It helps the channel grow. And if you don't mind, check out our channel. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and tell a friend. We'll check out both channels, the extra and the regular channel. It's growing slowly but surely. Every little bit helps. So we'll get this off in the mail to you in the morning. And I don't know how long it's going to take to get to you, but you should receive it, hopefully, by the end of next week. You get your project back underway. Sorry it took so long to get it shipped out. We've been out of town and had some sickness going on, so we appreciate your patience and appreciate the order too. And there you go. All packaged up and ready to ride. So we'll put it in the post office for you tomorrow, and we appreciate your business, Mr. George, and look forward to doing business with you again. Hope this gets your project underway. See y'all later.